Russ and I participated in Thursday night. We wanted to give you some update on where we're at, a little bit of behind the scenes and what's next for this. Problem was events like the AI Collective events can generate a high volume of attendee feedback, and it's easy to have valuable insights that can get overlooked or buried in the data. And without a consistent process, sometimes urgent follow-up doesn't always happen in a timely fashion, and it can be missed opportunities. We wanted to do a solution that was build an agent that could capture raw attendee data from a simple form or from a batch input and tag that feedback that needs timely response. And then also automate the triage so that nothing falls through the cracks. I'm going to turn it over to Russ for a quick demo.
Thanks, Krishen. We see a lot of potential in the feedback evaluator, and the options on how to save time are limitless. In our first iteration, we've refined the model and have a very solid approach on how it's going to start saving people time by using this tool. First off, we're preparing for users to be at the event and enter their data in as they go. Bob attended the event, and so he's putting in his information. Once this event is created, our agent's going to look at the information, and based on how we had to do it for the hackathon, it's loading it into memory and parsing that data as needed. The biggest thing we wanted to talk about today is our agent determined that Bob did not have any action items based on his feedback. So we're going to go ahead and load some more feedback with the second way we can load, which is through our files. We have a CSV file with other feedback, and our agent's going to look at and then determine what's our next steps. As you're seeing, Rebecca, as well as Priya, had some interesting feedback that's going to generate a follow-up. We've summarized that below, and then we're prompting the user to say, if this is all the information that you are going to get from your users, it's time to review the session. During session review, we get a summary statement, as well as areas of improvement and areas where we exceeded expectations. The last step is being able to trigger, what should we do with that feedback to make sure that the people that need a timely follow-up actually get the information? So yes, I would like to do a follow-up, and now our agent's going to draft our email, and in a future option, we intend to enable the Microsoft as well as Google email integration to send the final transaction. We had a lot of fun with this project. The opportunities are limitless. There are quite a few ways that we can take this even further, and look forward to hearing from you if you have further questions.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was definitely a learning experience. We have a lot of ideas for future enhancements, including pushing data to a database or tracking system, sending emails automatically, saving the session review. I want to thank again Airia for sponsoring this event, and AI Collective for hosting, and all the volunteers that help Russ and I keep moving forward, learning the Airia platform. And if you guys have any questions or feedback, you can reach both of us on LinkedIn.